Yeah! Check out my crib! We got stairs. Oh, you can't have a knife in the way. There is my fireplace at my crib. A little messy. Probably should have cleaned that up before you showed up. That's okay. The opening's a little small. It's equipped with dry firewood. We got a little seat here, a little cooking station. You could do all sorts of things on this little table. This is the bed where all the sleep happens. This rock here, this is custom here. See how it's perfectly at the edge? Look at this. Can sit up. Headroom. I got a little porch. You wish you had this crib, don't you? Stay tuned. Watch the video to the end. We're headed down. Let's do some digging. Almost to the ground. As you can tell, my pile is taller than me. All right, there's the ground. I made it. Now I need to make it longer. I think I'll dig this longer. That was about 20 minutes. I got multiple hours here. Getting a little sweaty. So I had to put on my kind of rain jacket that I wear. You have seen me do this before. Rubber gloves. Gotta stay dry, I'm skiing later. First block. That's a good block. Ah, that's a heavy block. Don't forget to stay hydrated. All right, are we ready to dig? Dig into the mountain. Right here is the layer of snow that was already here when I got here. Double is where I'm at, so I can dome the inside. It's crazy how heavy this snow is. Removed so much snow. It's crazy. When I'm in this shelter, I guess windy, probably drifty, is that a word? But in here, it's dead quiet. It's awesome. Hey! Ha! It looks like we got a little pee over there. That wasn't me. I promise. Wasn't me. Alright, you see my little entrance? I'm gonna cover this puppy up. And then I'll cut a hole in it. It's all blocked off. I hope I get some visitors tonight. See what they think about my shelter. I'm gonna make this a little bigger. Gotta have a fire in here. Gotta make some steaks. What you want to do when you're building a shelter is that you make sure the inside is domed. Never have a flat ceiling, dome the ceiling, a Roman arch. Let's say that, a Roman arch. They figured out that when you dome, you can hold a lot of strength and a lot of weight. You got to do the same thing here. I bet there's probably 4,000 pounds or greater of snow that's going to be above me. Without the dome, it's going to get warm in there, it could sink and could collapse. So, dome, don't forget that. I'm ready for lunch. 2:30, lunchtime. That's right, you heard me right. When you're having fun, you miss lunch sometimes. I am very wet. Okay, Pringles. It's starting to snow. I gotta get some firewood ready. I'll finish lunch first. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. Elevated bed, plenty of headroom. Real nice. I'm gonna go ski. You guys ready to ski? I'm ready to ski. On the mountain with the boys! Woo!
If you see this ridge line right here, wait, no, way out. There's kind of a spine of that mountain. If you fall out to the right, you're screwed.
We did it!
I always feel that when someone busts out a camera and then you watch it back and your board never actually came off the ground. You're like, no, I swear I was touching the sun.
And it looks so slow, and you're like, bro, I was flying.
Yeah, I thought my clothes were gonna rip off.
Camera.
It's
You're
over.
weird, Clay.
Please
No,
give
it's
me.
awesome.
Please.
We're gonna go check out the shelter. Boom. Well, you'll maybe regret it when you get back in your truck.
I'll get there eventually. Woo! How much are we charging per night, dude? Why would anyone stay in their little dumb cottages at the top when you can stay down here and hang out with Clay?
You're on my bed, Bowen.
To consider how freaking lethal the storm is outside. This is great, dude. Well done.
If you can block this opening with something,
Yeah.
because you're up elevated.
This might be your best work yet.
Yeah, it's good.
This is prime real estate.
This is already hardened pretty good.
It's snowing pretty good, so I'm procrastinating starting the fire. 8:30. There's my seat. This is awesome. Alright, just got smoky. Alright, I gotta go find a stick so I can cook my steak. It's warm. Let's just say it's a little toasty in here. We got 2 steaks. Alright, number 1, just right over the fire. Do I really gotta hold this? I gotta figure out a better option. There we go. We got a steak slowly cooking right now. We'll see how it does. Yeah, it's coming along. Enjoying cooking the steak. We'll see how it tastes. That looks good. Yeah, let's eat it. All right, let's flip this puppy. Look at this steak. I can't tell if this is smoke in here or just me breathing. Medium, a little pink. Look at that. This steak, so good. I'm gonna call this an 8.5. That's so good. Does that not look like a juicy steak? Because it is. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. And we do it at 11 o'clock, we eat some ice cream. 770 calories. And I finished it in like 2 minutes. Just hope that I don't fall off, because I'm a dangalin. See you guys in the morning. Hey, it is 6 a.m. I really don't want to get up, but it's bathroom time. My water's not frozen at all. Man, that's crazy. You can see that. It only dropped 1 degree. It got up to, look at that. It got up to 35 degrees in here. Dang, that's awesome. Some might say, well, 31 degrees is still cold. No, it's not. Snow's cold though. All right, let's go to the bathroom. And I'll come back and get another hour of sleep or 2. All right, guys, it snowed. It either was super windy or it snowed a bunch. Oh man, here's my hack. Freak! It's all freaking slippery. I don't know if it snowed. It snowed a little bit, but that was mostly just drift. I had to fix my stairs. It's cold out here. I gotta get in my sleeping bag and warm back up. All right, I'm gonna go get some sleep. I'm tired. It's a good thing I put my bag, see my bag down there, to block, because it was windy. I didn't need to cover the entire hole and seal it off. That definitely helped. There was a lot of snow at my entrance. More than I expected, that's for sure. Let's get back in bed. I am really liking my top quilts. When I got a really nice sleeping pad, I don't have to worry about the bottom of a sleeping bag. Warm in here. I'm not even joking. Summertime camping in the Sawtooth is 36. This is close to the same temperature in here as summertime camping. This is a great shelter. I think I'll build this again. Who agrees with me that the last 2 hours are always the best 2 hours? All right, let's get up, get ready, eat, and then head home. I think we're close enough. Trying to boil. The egg is expanding. I gotta fix that. I just did. I should probably get out of my bag. Oh, cold pants. No, nobody loves cold pants. We like hot pants, not cold pants. Not ready yet. A little small. It's breakfast time. Eggs in a bag. Only got 2 things left to do with it. Obviously, you need pepper. You need some salt. Oh, it spills all over me. You need to mix it up. The salt and pepper gets all around in there. And then you dig in. Check that out. Oh, top tier breakfast right here. This is a 9.5. Yeah, good. It's a little windy here. I definitely need to clean my stairs. Get out there, do hard things.
We're at the top of Colorado, tallest peak,